These are the steps that we took to move our washer and dryer up from the basement to the second floor. It will end up here in a second floor linen closet where there's a bathtub on the other side of the wall. I've cut away more of the drywall here and exposed the drain below the tub by cutting away some of the subfloor. Here's a view of the drain. Bathwater drains to the left. I put an ABS Y piece into that bottom pipe to link up the washer drain. This flexible coupling piece was necessary alongside the Y in order to put the pieces together. I started with the exhaust venting. This vent piece is in the bedroom closet on the second floor. The right end of the pipe leads to the outside wall of the house. The vent goes to the left and through the wall to end up in the linen closet. There it is, and the orange electrical wire is in place. The electrical wire goes down to the basement, and so does the green garden hose. In case there might be leaks, I put the hose in to drain away any water that might be on the floor. This is to show how I got the wire and hose through the main floor and down to the basement. This is the main floor bathroom. I drilled two 1-inch holes up through the 2x4s. This is the same room showing the top access drilling hole and the bottom access drilling hole that leads to the basement. In the top left corner is a white plastic box for water supply and drain. The drain line is complete now, and there's a P-trap off to the left. The bottom part of the drain has a 45-degree angle piece that connects to the old bathtub drain. That 45-degree angle had to be flowing down to the left, or else washer water might have drained back up into the bathtub. The white water supply lines have now been hooked up. I connected them using brass-colored SharkBite connectors. I wanted to test the black drain line for leaks. The silver braided hose goes from the cold water supply to the top of the drain pipe. I put the tap on slowly and there were no leaks. Then medium and there were no leaks. Then I put it on hard and I learned that I should have been holding the silver hose into the drain pipe. The dryer plug is now in place. It was brought up from the basement. Now we're down in the basement. What used to be the dryer plug is now a junction box. The top of the black drain pipe requires an adapter to go from 1.5 inches to 2 inch in diameter. That piece connects the black ABS pipe to the white plastic box. Everything is pretty much in place. In the bottom half of the picture are some small metal plates that have been put in to protect wire and water supply just in case. To protect against leaks, I glued a sheet of linoleum down. I put pink insulation into the wall to help contain the noise of the machines. The drywall is now done. Along the pathway that the exhaust vent will take, I cut the drywall away so the exhaust vent would not get compressed by the drywall. A nice paint job by my wife, and at the bottom is a detachable access panel. To contain leaks, I made a ridge of white silicone on all 4 sides of the linoleum. There's an opening at the back where I used a bit of polyethylene to connect with the green garden hose. That hose drains down to the basement. And here's our guest of honor. Now that the machine is in place, I can put a line of white silicone caulking along the side of the linoleum that is closest to the camera. On the left-hand side wall are 2 vertical shelf supports. We were able to custom make 3 shelves to fit in there. And finally there, the door goes in. We're all done. And I hope you find this useful.